आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर के बारे में। ये कोई रिव्यू नहीं है, इट्स गोइंग टू बी एन इनसाइट ऑफ हाउ दिस फिल्म बाय द वन एंड ओनली अनुराग कश्यप चेंज्ड द फेस ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा कंप्लीटली। पर्सनली ये मेरे लिए सिर्फ एक फिल्म नहीं है, दिस इज एन ओड टू सिनेमा एंड फिल्म मेकिंग। एंड व्हाई इज दिस फिल्म स्पेशल? गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर रिलीज हुई 2012 में when the Hindi film industry was going through a crisis। पूरे साल 200 फिल्म रिलीज होने के बाद भी कुछ 8-10 फिल्में हिट होती थी and the rest did not even get the number of screens and the audiences। बिकता था तो बस मसाला entertainers। Then came along this man, Anurag freaking Kashyap, with this film that was based on the real life gang wars prevalent in Jharkhand and Bihar। पहले 3 दिनों में फिल्म ने बस 10 करोड़ की कमाई की, जो एक था टाइगर ने 3 घंटे में की। This is what was wrong with our industry and our understanding of cinema। ऑडियंस को क्या पसंद है? एक्शन, कॉमेडी, म्यूजिक और एंटरटेनमेंट। People in India go to theaters spending $200 to watch entertainment and not stuff that's depressing। India की audience has not evolved into watching the dark zone of cinema or something that just shakes your conscience। What Anurag Kashyap did was bring in all those mentioned elements into the film without damaging the soul of the story। अब ये कैसे कोई कर सकता है? Anurag proved how। He kept it real। He kept it as rooted as possible। He kept his actors earthy। They didn't do over the top action। Their dialogues were not heavyweight। Their conversations felt closer to our conversation to it by being honest with your story, with your actors, with the music, with the dialogues, and most importantly with yourself। कश्यप ने हर एक सीन को इतनी परफेक्टली एग्जीक्यूट किया है कि he himself doesn't believe it, because he has said in many interviews that he is not someone who plans every scene or feeds the dialogues to his actors। He does it right then on the sets just before the scene। And then I realized why the dialogues of the film were such huge hits and are still used as memes। It's because it is situational comedy। ये unscripted होती है। ये सिर्फ तभी execute हो सकती है when your actors are living the roles and not performing them है तो improvisation steps in। Anurag allows his actors to improvise while the scene is on। He fills his actors with confidence and thus the performances are always a highlight in his films। In the same year, Pan Singh Tomar and Shanghai flopped at the box office and later went on to win a lot of praise। The audience didn't watch those gems in the theaters, they watched it years later through means of piracy। Rowdy Rathore and Ek Tha Tiger were entertaining films, yes। I'm not taking away any credit from their makers, but Pan Singh Tomar and Shanghai deserve to be 100 crore grossers back then। As I always say, the audience drives the industry and it's never the other way around। Coming back to Wasepur, the performances are the soul of the film। This film could never have been such a classic without those splendid performances by almost every actor। It was the best casting I had ever seen in a Bollywood film। Right from Manoj Bajpayee to Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Rajkumar Rao to Jaideep Ahlawat, Richa Chadda to Vineet Kumar Singh, all the actors, irrespective of the screen time they got, left a solid mark। शायद ही हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में कोई ऐसी फिल्म बनी हो जिसने ऑलमोस्ट हर एक्टर को मेन स्ट्रीम सिनेमा की तरफ जाने का रास्ता बना के दिया। मनोज वॉज अ वेल नोन एक्टर, especially after films like Satya and Shool, but his breakthrough film into the hearts of the masses came when Nawazuddin used to have 5-minute roles in movies। Gangs of Wasipur changed his life forever and he went ahead to work even with the mighty Khans। Rajkumar Rao and Jaideep Ahlawat are names that are etched in our minds forever। And how can one forget Pankaj Tripathi? He shot to fame and got numerous opportunities, taking him to a place where now the entire country makes a point to watch a specific scene। We see a man who meets Ramadhir Singh in a temple and suggests that he should join hands with the Muslims। This eventually leads Ramadhir to form an alliance with Sultan Qureshi। It is interesting how this man looks a lot like former Prime Minister Chandrasekhar। It is even said that Ramadhir's character is based on an MLA named Surajdev Singh who saw Chandrasekhar as his mentor। Now this fact definitely explains a lot about the importance of this specific scene and how Anurag in a very subtle manner puts across things that amuses people। The brutality of the scene where Sardar Khan stabs the bodyguard of a minister will remain with us forever, and it wouldn't have been the same if it was created with the help of visual effects। Also, Sneha Khanwalkar's music and Varun Grover's lyrics made the album an instant hit। The music was so catchy that every song turned out to be a massive hit। Jiya Tu Bihar Ke Lala was humongous among the masses and had a unique Bhojpuri flavor to it। The song Hunter was a fusion of Hindi and English lyrics and had a unique touch to it. Remember the song Keh Ke Lunga? Piyush Mishra's lyrics combined with Amit Trivedi and Sneha Khanwalkar's powerful voice makes this song hypnotizing to say the least. Anurag Kashyap has made some good films even after this, but sorry Anurag, nothing would ever beat this. और शायद इसी रीजन से अनुराग ने कहा था कि Gangs of Wasseypur ruined his life. People keep expecting him to make films in that zone, but I personally don't want him to. I'm not a fan of filmmakers who create cinema to please viewers. I honestly believe that a filmmaker just needs to please himself while creating a film. Only then you get a Gangs of Wasseypur. So a message for Anurag and team, don't dare to attempt another film like this क्योंकि
बेटा तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for instant notification. Do like, comment and share the video with your friends. Thank you.